What's up everybody, I hope you all are doing super well. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be installing an AM off-road shark style grill that I have behind me on my 2012 Jeep Wrangler JKU. Install is super simple, all you really need is a flat tip screwdriver. Other than that, install is very straightforward. Let's jump right into it. Alright, we're going to do a quick little unboxing. Looks like we have the weather stripping that we're going to put on top of the grill itself. It even comes with some instructions. We won't really need those. And, oh, awesome. It looks like it even has some additional mounting hardware in case we don't want to reuse what we already have on the stock grill. So this shark style grill is actually the matte black finish as opposed to the gloss style I have on my car currently. So I'm super excited to see how this contrasts the gloss color. Now that we have everything unboxed, we're just gonna pop the hood and remove the rivets from the existing grill. Now that you have your hood popped, you're gonna use your flat tip screwdriver and simply stick it underneath one of these little inserts, twist it to the side, and then it'll pop right open. From there, you can just remove it with your hand. And you want to repeat this process for the other 5 rivets across the grill. Look at your amber lights right here. I have some aftermarket ones on my Jeep. You do need to twist the bulb very simply. Just come underneath the car. You can see right here where the yellow tape is where my amber light bulb is. All you do is just twist it down and pull it out. Right, and we have the old grill removed. You want to remove your ambers from your old grill and make sure to insert them on the new shark style grill. Very simply, there's 2 inserts right back here and they just push into these holes right here. You're going to want to do this prior to installing the shark grill on the actual Jeep itself. Right, so without the grill installed, you can see all these inserts right here. I do just want to make it known that these inserts, you're going to want to line up with the inserts attached to the bottom of the shark style grill. For example, we have this kind of spherical looking one that will go right into the center of the grill. It makes it really easy to mount the grill properly. Included in the hardware was these little pieces right here. You're going to want to make sure to attach these to all 4 of these little rivets because this is what's really going to make the bottom of your grill stick into the mounts on the Jeep, because like mine, they stuck to my previous grill, so these pieces can be kind of annoying. Thankfully, additional ones were included in the unboxing. Alright, so yeah, just push these on just like that. Because of the way they're built, they grip on nice and strong, and this way we should be able to just kind of push the grill into place and connect these amber lights back up, throw the inserts back up on the top, and we'll be good to go. Let's do it. Put the inserts in, rewire the amber lights. Now all we need to do is put the weather stripping on and we're good to go. Simply peeled back the 3M tape off of this weather stripping right here, tried to center it up on top of the grill, and just like that, we are done. Dang, that looks awesome. Thank you so much everybody for watching. That will conclude the AM Shark Style Grill install video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding this install, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll be happy to answer all of those. If you at all wanted to pick yourself up one of these style grills, the link for that will also be in the top of the description. Once again, thank you to AM Offroad for sponsoring today's video. I look forward to working with them more in the future. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you guys want to see some more pictures of how this looks in contrast with the entire car, not just kind of the front of it. Super happy with how it turned out. Thank you once again for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.